Hi everyone, I am Saeed and I am the product director for LS First at LS Retail. And today I want to show you what LS First can do for your business, where it fits in, and how you can make the most out of LS First, and perhaps how you can make the best decisions towards choosing LS First as a product. LS First is an extension, our ISV solution that extends Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations, and it brings full restaurant management functionality into the standard Microsoft point of sale. Since there has been some naming evolution for Microsoft Dynamics 365, this slide here clarifies exactly where LS First resides. The product previously known as Dynamics AX is now named as Dynamics 365 for finance and operations, and that same software comes with a smaller footprint which targets the retail industry and retail business only, and that is Dynamics 365 for retail. LS First is installed and extends the functionality within these two ERP footprints and brings restaurant management functionality into the solution. The restaurant management business nowadays, more so than ever, is under demand from the digital transformation because of all the data coming in from the customers and the demand for being connected all the time throughout the experiences before and after, and how to provide the information and that is interested to customers is a challenge for restaurant management businesses. D365, along with LS First, helps address these challenges. D365, along with LS First, is a end-to-end ERP solution with the financials, warehouse management, full-blown omni-channel, mobile, web, and kitchen management, all of the kitchen displays, the stations within the kitchen, and centrally and at the store managing the business. All industry research and statistics have been incorporated into D365 for retail, which is a modern platform for retail, and it is the platform of choice for retail. When it comes to restaurant management, LS First just harvests all of this standard Microsoft D365 functionality and extends it into restaurant management capabilities. This is the Microsoft landing page for D365 for retail, and you can see the highlights of what has been achieved as part of this solution. Dynamics 365 for finance and operations comes with a smaller footprint, which is a subset of the modules within the larger ERP system, which includes functionality required by retailers only. It excludes some of the general ledger and some of the extended asset management functionality, which is not necessarily desired in the smaller footprint. LS First extends both of these variations of D365 and extends them into the restaurant management. This is the portfolio of solutions within LS First and the industry verticals that LS First has solutions for. The quick service restaurant has deals and recipes, and within these deals and recipes for their products, they have modifiers which can or cannot change the pricing of the overall deal. And the recipes are quite detailed when these are configured within LS First Hospitality. The inventory consumption down to the fraction of tomato can be tracked accurately. Also, industries that run gift basket type businesses can take advantage of this sophisticated, rich pricing and deal and recipe configuration model for their business. LS First also comes with kitchen display systems. So routing per item can be configured, and as many stations required in the kitchen can be supported by our KDS systems and fulfilling the orders through drive-through or other means. The casual dining is also comes with some additional functionality and demand, which is managing the tables and reservations and having check management and tipping and other functionality, which comes again as part of LS First Hospitality. This slide is a more detailed high-level feature list of LS First Hospitality. In the leftmost column, you see the standard Dynamics 365 ERP suite with the highlight of the modules there. In the restaurant and food service management, you can see the recipes and deals, which comes as part of LS First. You can see the menu and pricing management, and you can see the KDS and the POS and conversational ordering, which is incorporated into our solution and is somewhat inherent within MPOS, which comes as part of D365 for retail, and also the finance and operations variation. D365 Finance and Operations, along with LS First Hospitality, is a full end-to-end suite of all-in-one solution, which is integrated and covers the business end-to-end, from finances, from headquarters, and managing the prices and recipes and managing every store and KDS and POS. The deployment options that come with D365 are ideal. There is a cloud deployment option, there is a cloud plus edge deployment option, and there's a local business implementation option, which is a on-premise. All of these variations are supported and combinations are supported in D365, and this deployment options inherently become part of LS First and are supported there as well. This is a quick glimpse into the modern POS architecture. You can see it is HTML based, it is TypeScript based, and the development is from within Visual Studio. There are CRT and retail server components which are C# based, and this POS, modern POS, is a delight to work with, both from a user standpoint, the cashier standpoint, and from extending and developing on it. Even better, the retail modern POS has a cloud POS, which is a counterpart of the modern POS. These two POSs share common business logic and functionality. So every logic and functionality which is built into the modern POS is inherently and just as per architecture part of the cloud POS as well. D365 for finance and operations, it comes with a full extensibility model. So there is extensibility within the MPOS, there's extensibility points within the back office, within the retail server, and all the various components of the solution. And LS First uses all of these extensibility points and is 100% extensible. From D365 version 7 and higher, Microsoft requires solutions to be fully extensible. As of version 8 in D365, a CAP program, the Continuous Auto Advantage program, is going to be available, which is the goal of the extensibility model. We are fully extensible, and the Continuous Auto Advantage program will mean that there is no more tedious updates when there is a new release coming as part of the core product. No more code merge, no more tedious time-taking cycles of upgrading to the latest version. It is just simple and easy to stay current with the solution, with the latest version and the latest functionality within the solution that applies both to Microsoft standard functionality and LS First functionality. Microsoft is committed to having retail functionality fully available on premise. And so for customers who are interested in on-premise, this is a very good timing to get started with D365, as this is part of the roadmap, and this will be quickly available to them. AppSource, which is a Microsoft standard location for all of the certified applications, showcases applications which are certified by Microsoft. And you can see our LS-First hospitality solution here as well. I will be wrapping up my presentation with my slide showing the industry verticals covered by LS-First again, and quick service restaurant, casual dining restaurants, general restaurant, and KDS display systems, and fuel and forecourt. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to hear from you.